Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of the cell. And when I say powerhouse, I mean it. These tiny structures are like miniature factories working around the clock to provide energy for everything you do, from thinking and breathing to running and dancing. Without mitochondria, you'd be out of energy faster than a battery-operated toy on Christmas morning. We're going to take a journey inside your very own cells to explore these incredible energy generators. We'll learn what they are, what they do, and why they're essential for your health and vitality. Get ready to unlock the secrets of your cellular powerhouses and discover how to keep them running strong for a longer, healthier life. Let's get started. So, what exactly are mitochondria? Picture them as tiny, bean-shaped organelles floating inside almost every cell in your body. And get this, they even have their own DNA. We're talking about a whole other level of complexity happening right inside you. These microscopic marvels are the primary energy producers of your cells, converting the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe into usable energy, a molecule called ATP. Think of ATP as the cellular currency that fuels all your biological processes. But wait, there's more. Mitochondria aren't just one-trick ponies. They're like the Swiss Army knives of your cells, playing vital roles in various cellular processes. They help regulate your metabolism, ensuring your body uses energy efficiently. They're also involved in storing calcium, which is crucial for muscle function and nerve transmission. Plus, they generate heat, keeping your body temperature just right. And hold on, they even play a role in cell survival and death. It's no exaggeration to say that healthy mitochondria are the cornerstone of overall well-being. When your mitochondria are functioning optimally, you have more energy, your brain works better, and your body can fight off damage from free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to aging and disease. Think of it this way, well-functioning mitochondria are like a well-tuned engine, powering your body smoothly and efficiently. But when they're not working properly, it's like driving with the emergency brake on. You might still get where you need to go, but it'll take more effort, and you'll experience wear and tear along the way. When mitochondria falter, the consequences of dysfunction. Now let's talk about what happens when our tiny powerhouses start to sputter. Mitochondrial dysfunction, a state where your mitochondria aren't working at their best, can lead to a whole host of problems. Ever feel inexplicably tired, like you're dragging yourself through the day? That could be a sign of mitochondrial dysfunction. And it's not just about energy levels. Mitochondrial dysfunction has been linked to aging, chronic fatigue, diabetes, heart disease, and even neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Power up your life. Simple ways to support your mitochondria. The good news is that there are plenty of things you can do to support your mitochondria and keep them running strong. It's all about making lifestyle choices that optimize cellular health. One of the most important things you can do is fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods. Think colorful fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants, healthy fats like those found in avocados and olive oil, and lean protein sources. Regular exercise is another mitochondrial booster, helping to increase the number and efficiency of these energy generators. Supercharge your cells. Top vitamins and supplements for mitochondrial health. In addition to a healthy lifestyle, certain vitamins and supplements can give your mitochondria an extra boost. Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, is a powerful antioxidant naturally found in our bodies that plays a crucial role in energy production within the mitochondria. NAD plus precursors like NMN and NR are also gaining popularity for their potential to support mitochondrial function and combat age-related decline. And let's not forget about alpha-lipoic acid, magnesium, and N-acetylcysteine, all of which have been shown to support mitochondrial health in various ways. You know how some people just seem to radiate youthfulness even as they age gracefully? Well, healthy mitochondria might be part of their secret. See, as we age, our mitochondria tend to become less efficient. This decline in mitochondrial function is thought to be a major contributor to the aging process. The good news is that by supporting our mitochondria, we can slow down this decline and even reverse some of the signs of aging. We're talking about having more energy, maintaining a sharp mind, and keeping our skin looking vibrant. Exercise. The mitochondrial workout your body craves. Remember how I mentioned that exercise is like a mitochondrial workout? Well, let's dive deeper into that. Physical activity, especially aerobic exercise like running, swimming, or cycling, is like a turbo boost for your mitochondria. It forces them to work harder, becoming more efficient at producing energy. Resistance training, like lifting weights, is also beneficial, helping to increase the number of mitochondria in your muscle cells. Fueling the powerhouses, the mitochondrial diet. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your mitochondria rely on a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally. So, what does a mitochondrial-friendly diet look like? Think of it as a rainbow on your plate. Load up on colorful fruits and vegetables bursting with antioxidants, which protect your mitochondria from damage. Incorporate healthy fats like those found in fatty fish, avocados, and nuts, which provide the building blocks for healthy mitochondrial membranes. Decoding the science how mitochondrial supplements lend a helping hand. Now, let's demystify some of those mitochondrial supplements we talked about earlier. Take NAC, for example. This powerful antioxidant helps replenish glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, which is essential for protecting mitochondria from oxidative stress. Then there's NMN, a precursor to NAD+, a coenzyme crucial for energy production within the mitochondria. And let's not forget about CoQ10, which plays a vital role in the electron transport chain, the process by which mitochondria generate ATP. Power up your health. The mitochondrial journey continues. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and science insights. Remember, taking care of your mitochondria is an investment in your long-term health and vitality. By making simple lifestyle changes and incorporating some of the tips we've discussed, you can support these cellular powerhouses and unlock your full energy potential. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep those mitochondria humming. See you next time.